Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the quality in the Likee application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page. And then click on the settings button. And then at the general section, just click on the quality button. And as you can see, there are three options you can choose from. There are automatic, there's the HD, and there's the smooth. So obviously HD is more for high quality videos, but that requires stable connections, so just choose the one that you think will work for you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.